Hi guys, another vlog, another day. Daily vlog 218. It's our favorite day of the week. It's Thursday. Walang pasok bukas. A quick presentation ng month-end report namin. And now it's Turkish dinner time. Dinala kami ni Kuisnes dito sa Ashwag. It's a Turkish restaurant. Authentic Turkish cuisine. Kebab. Ewa. Camel? May camel? Disclaimer, walang camel meat doon. Order ko lamb steak. Chicken kay Kuis, tsaka kay Josh. Very simple, clean, and spacious itong restaurant nila. Yan naman ang desserts nila. Complimentary bread. And here's our order. Yan yung lamb with Turkish rice. Grilled yan lahat, guys. Siyempre may gulay para balance. Eto naman yung Turkish grilled chicken. In fairness, grabe, generous ng serving nila. Late dinner na pala ito. 9 PM na kami nakarating dito. Grabe, sarap ng grilled lamb. At heto, additional order namin. Hindi ko alam anong pangalan nito pero para siyang cheesy caldereta sa atin. Nice siya, masarap, may kamatis. Yan yung complimentary bread. At ito naman yung dessert nila. Parang leche flan lang sa atin pero hindi masyado matamis. Alright, all good. Dumaan tayo dito sa Watchmart. Marami ring Pinoy products dito. Time check, 1 AM, coffee time. First time namin ni Josh dito sa 500,000 coffee shop. Sikat ito dito sa Jeddah, guys. We ordered pistachio latte. That's all for now.